Welcome to Buy Tennessee Dirt training videos. If you're new to the team, welcome. And if you've been with us for a while, welcome back. So today we're going to go over the repair replacement proposal. Now, when this comes into play, it is after you've been under contract, you've had the home inspection done, the inspection reports come back, you've talked over the report with your clients, and you've come to the agreement that we would like to have such items repaired. We always recommend that you have a conversation with the agent on the other side of the transaction, letting them know, hey, we've got some issues that my clients would like to have repaired, and we'd like to propose these items, and present them to your client so that they can make that decision as to what they would like to get repaired. So in here, you're going to make sure you put in that it's a proposal one. I don't think in any case you should have a two unless you're going back and forth. And in that case, that might be an issue we might have to cross that bridge when we get there, if we ever get there. But make sure you put one, and just note that this form is for informational or negotiating purposes only, and is not necessarily included into the purchase and sale agreement. So it's just a proposal. It's just a, hey, here's the idea of this is what we'd like to have proposed to have repaired. So you're going to put in your binding date, you're going to put in the address, and down here, this is where we can get a little bit further into how we write these. There's a certain verbiage we use to make it a little bit easier. And one other thing too that I also like to ask our clients is if we can share the home inspection report with the listing agent, because as you can see down here, how I put it is I reference back to pages of the report and items. So in this one in particular, this is how we typically write them out for the proposal and also for the amendment, which is, I'll do another video on the amendment itself. But as it says, as per the home inspection conducted by John Chick Home Inspections on July 5th, 2024, the following issues are to be repaired or replaced. And then here's where I was talking about, you're going to reference that page and the item number. And then if in the report he points out a leaking faucet, in the primary bathroom or the master bathroom, and he has a picture of showing underneath the sink and where there's that leak, he'll have a picture there. So you'll put in there, you'll reiterate what it's the issue, and then you would like it repaired by a licensed contractor, plumber, electrician, or whatever the case may be. And then saying, the reason why we're asking for this to be done is because it's going to prevent, we're asking this done because it's causing damage. It's causing some sort of damage to the home itself. Same here. And this is all just this didn't have to do any of this, but this is just how we typically put it in. You've got a leaking roof repaired by a licensed contractor to prevent damage. And then of course, if you've got any wires, exposed electrical wires or anything like that, just put in there as to what needs to be done to fix it, especially with exposed wires. We want to prevent fires. And then, of course, right here, we are asking that the sellers at least complete this 3 days prior to closing, so that gives our clients enough time to do the final inspection and make sure that those repairs were in fact done. So, sorry. And then down here, just make sure that when you, of course, put it into an envelope for signatures, just make sure that both your parties, or if it's just one seller, goes ahead and signs that. And then you'll go ahead and send this to the agent. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.